Hello everyone, I'm Siam Thakur. Welcome to my YouTube channel Shivan Style guys. Hope you all are doing well practicing our Autocad learning sessions. So guys, today we will understand the scale command. How can we use a scale command or when we need to use scale command. So guys, in our previous tutorial we have draft this drawing. We have made this drawing in a previous tutorial. So guys, today we will understand scale command. So guys, when we wanna draw the same drawing as we have already draw in double or thrice dimensions, so we can just make other drawing just by using the simple scale command. Guys, if let's suppose we wanna draw the same drawing as we have draw here in double dimension or in thrice dimension, so we can just make the same drawing just by using the scale command. For this we just need to go into the modify command bar and we need to select the scale command from here. Now this is asking for the select object. So guys, we need to select all the object. As I have select all the object, then right click, then press right click or press space. Now this is asking for the base point. I just click on the base point. Now this is asking for the scale factor. Scale factor is what would be the scale factor when you are not doing anything. This is on 1. Scale factor is 1. Let's suppose we wanna double the dimension, so scale factor would be 2. So guys, we wanna draw double dimension. So guys, let's suppose I have entered 2 and then enter. The same drawing in double dimension has been drawn. The same drawing has been doubled in dimensions. So guys, I hope you understand this. So guys, let's understand one more feature in scale command. Guys, for activating the scale command directly just by using the short keys, we can enter SC in a command bar, then space. As I enter SC, scale command has been active. Now this is asking for the select object. Now I have selected all the object. Now right click. This is asking for the base point. I have clicked here. This is asking for the scale factor. As guys, there is one more option. Guys, this is a copy or reference. There are two options. As I have clicked here, I have says C, then space. Our copy command is active. Now the one drawing that is the reference drawing would be there. Now one more drawing would be created as a copy of this object. So guys, for this, but this will be drawn at the top of this. The base point won't be changed. Base point would be the same, and the one drawing that is located here, that would be here, and the other drawing would be automatically drawn to the upper side of this. As I have entered 2 as a scale factor of this, so guys, that drawing is downward side. Now the same drawing has been upper side. So guys, I hope you understand the copy command. Copy in scale command. So guys, there is one more option. Let's get back to this. There is one more option. Let's select the scale command once more. Select object, then press space. I was asking for the base point. I have clicked here. Now there is one more reference. Guys, we wanna, as we don't know what would be the scale factor, we wanna increase or decrease the dimensions. So we can just do this by using the reference. We have entered R for reference, then space. Now this is asking for the reference length. What is the reference length of this drawing? As suppose I have give the reference length this line. Now this is asking for the how much small or bigger you wanna make this. So you need to give the reference line from here to from this point. Alright guys, from that point to that point. Let's try once more. How is it? Let's select once again scale command, select the whole command, then space. Now it's asking for the base point. I have give here. Now R for reference, I have give OK. It's asking for the reference length. I have give reference length. Now this is asking for the reference where you wanna fit it. From this point to this point. Alright guys, I hope you understand the skill command. If you understand the skill command, please like and share the video and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of new upcoming video. And guys, I request you to please give the valuable feedback in the comment section.